This video right here is about me explaining hard light. Hard light is a small source of light. Hard light goes into a big 7-foot umbrella. It gives you soft light. Get this. The bigger the light source, the softer it becomes. The bigger the light source, the softer it becomes. This light right here is a video light, and you can see the light source is small. So it gives me hard light because the light source is small. Now, one thing about hard light and soft light most people get confused about. A small source of light can become softer. But one thing they don't really understand is this light source is small. It is. When you put this diffuser on it, you can see it. Yeah, you may say that it is softer, but no, it is still hard light. The only thing that happened is this diffuser has affected the intensity of the light. This diffuser only made the light source intensity to become lesser. This diffuser made the power of the light become lesser. One thing about hard light is that hard light will give you shadows, well-defined shadows. When you put this on this light, it is just affecting how powerful that small light is. It is not really giving you a soft light. It only affects the intensity of this light. It doesn't affect the light source because light source is still small. So when you put this on this right here, you're still getting hard light. It's just that this time, the power of the hard light is being reduced because of this in front of it.